We've known for about 100 years that the universe is expanding, and 25 years ago we discovered this expansion is even accelerating. We don't yet understand why and how, but we call this effect dark energy. But according to new data from November 2025, this might have to be adapted. In fact, the current universe might not even be accelerating anymore. Is dark energy decreasing? The groundbreaking discovery that the expansion of the universe is accelerating was based on using Type 1a supernovae as distance measure. Basically, these supernovae have a very distinct mechanism and a very characteristic brightness curve when they explode. So, when we measure this curve and compare it to how bright it should be, we can infer how far away it is. However, these results have to be recalibrated for various measurement or statistical effects. And the current new results seem to indicate we need to adapt this recalibration once more to take into account the proper age of star populations. And that would mean that our current measurements of the acceleration of the universe are overestimated and the acceleration is not as big as we thought, or might even be zero at this point. Note, however, that this does not mean that dark energy does not exist at all. We still need dark energy to explain the observed expansion in the older universe. It just means that it seems to have decreased and the current dark energy is smaller. In other words, dark energy might not be a cosmological constant, but might actually change over time. The most important thing with this is that these results are preliminary, so they must be confirmed by further observations. But if this turns out to be true, this would mean some serious changes to our Lambda CDM standard model of cosmology. Subscribe for more cosmology.